In today's video, I want to introduce Udio, an AI music creation tool. In this tool, you can generate music in different styles with text prompts. You can use these musics in your projects as background music, or to create music clips for YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform. In beta version, this tool is free. Stay until the end to learn prompting and working tips. Open Udio.com. To start using this AI, press the Sign In button and sign in with one of your accounts. On the home page, you can see a gallery of trending, top tracks, and different categories of music created by other users. Play music and listen to these works. You can click on any music, see the prompt and lyrics of this generation, see other music of this creator, download, remix, or extend the music, and like it, to be added to your liked songs section. In My Creations section, you can find your previous generations. From this part, click on FAQ. You can see information about using this tool that I'll show you. In the prompt box, enter prompt to create a song based on it. You can press the dice icon to randomly generate prompt, and use them for your generations. Some tags are suggested below the prompt box. You can click on any one and use it. You can use these tags in any numbers and different combinations. Auto-generated is the default, and when you use it, Udio will automatically select the appropriate lyrics for your prompt. When you select instrumental, you don't get any vocal in the resulting music. When you select custom, you'll need to add your own lyrics and create the music based on it. You can use ChatGPT or other chatbots to create lyrics based on the tips that you see here. When manual mode is off, AI will enhance the prompt. So, when you want more control over what goes into the model, or not happy with how Udio rewrites your prompt, use manual mode. When you use manual mode, only tags are allowed and you can't use freeform text. It is recommended to use custom lyrics with manual mode. To start generating music, write your prompt. First, you can write the type of music that you want, and determine the vocal sound. If you want to use auto-generated, you should describe the song and write what it is about, and then you can combine different tags. You can increase the influence of a particular tag by repeating it a few times in the prompt. Press the Create button. You get 2 tracks in the results and each is 33 seconds long. You can extend it and create a full song that I will show you. Click on each track to see the lyrics. You can see your prompt and what AI has added to it here.
Feel the dark conceal every secret, every fear. Deep within the forest veil, shadows whisper, shadows leer. Wicked branches like a cage, I am trapped inside their maze. In the woods where no light dares, I find solace, I find my scares.
You can download the result from here. When you press the Edit button, you can change the track name and cover of the song. Here you can write a prompt and create an image for the cover based on it. You get 3 images, select one, or generate again and see more results. Select Save and the cover will change. Use Remix when you want to use the same lyrics and settings and create a variation of this track. In the next section, I will show you how to extend the track. From here, you can create a playlist and add track to it. You can also share, download, and delete the song. When you're generating music and you don't get what you really want, keep generating and get more results. Select the track you want to extend, and click the Extend button. You can change your prompt, or use the previous one to create a longer song. You have 4 options. Add intro will add a new section at the beginning of the track, like when you have vocal music and you want to start it with song, then the vocal starts after that. Add section before will add a new section before the current song. Add section after will add a new section after the current song. Add outro can help end your track in a natural way. First, I want to add an intro to this song. I use instrumental, so I don't have vocal, but you can use any option based on your choice. Press the extend button. We got 2 results. Our original track was 33 seconds, and the extended version is 1 minute and 6 seconds. Each extend adds 32 seconds to the track. Play each track, and if you don't like them, try again. We add the intro, so the first 32 seconds is the new part. I prefer the first one, so I'll go ahead and extend it one more time. I want to add a new section after the current track and make it longer. I use auto-generated. New track time is 1 minute and 38 seconds. The last 32 seconds is the new part.
Eyes glinting from the thicket deep. Mysteries haunt in this wooded keep. Silent watchers twisted and stark. Creep and crawl out of the dark.
I will play the second track.
Lurking, I can sense every movement, each intent. Creeping closer, drawing near. The forest breathes, it seems to hear.
You can choose one of them, or extend the song again. Add new sections, and at the end of your work, add an outro for a better ending. In the next tutorial, I will show you how you can create a music video. Ask your questions in the comment, and let me know about your experience of using this fantastic AI music tool. Stay tuned for more features and new tools. Thanks for watching.